Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
A man was passing the Watercombe River in the South African town of Farmall when he suddenly heard a noise. After taking a peek, he discovered the horrifying source of the commotion. A husky had been tossed into the river to drown. The man sprung into action with the help of a few other pedestrians. What they discovered next was a terrible example of animal cruelty that has shaken people to the core. After hearing a noise near the Watercombe River in South Africa, a man spotted this poor husky struggling to stay afloat. It had been thrown in the river with its legs purposely bound with wire so it would drown. Along with a few other good Samaritans, the man helped rescue the dog, whom he named Spirit, and rushed to the Blue Bush Animal Clinic. There they figured out the chilling reason why the dog had been so abused. The abuse was likely caused by illegal poachers in the area. Possibly the dog was snared and the poacher, finding something in the snare that he didn't want to eat, then bound and tried to drown him, the shelter wrote on Facebook. Thankfully, Spirit is recovering and finally receiving the love and care he deserves. He's still weak and his lungs aren't great, but a very good sign is his appetite. He's eating like a hobbit: first breakfast, second breakfast, tea, lunch, tea, first supper, second supper. What sort of monster does that to an animal? Suppose the same person that would be into illegal poaching in the first place. Thank goodness Spirit was rescued in time.